Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to open Pine Editor in TradingView. So this is where you can write and test Pine script directly with your chart. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, I want you to open your TradingView chart and look at the toolbar on the right side of the screen. You'll see several icons for different tools, and near the bottom of this toolbar, look for the small pine tree icon. And once you find it, click the pine tree icon, and then the Pine editor should then open as a panel at the bottom of your chart. And then you'll know it's open when you see the code area with line numbers and the Pine editor label. So from here, you can start writing or editing Pine script code. If a sample script is already there, you can remove it and then start from scratch or edit it to practice. TradingView also uses color highlighting and basic autocomplete to make your code easier to read and write. So if the editor feels too small, simply drag the top edge of the panel upward to give yourself more space. And if you don't see the Pine editor icon, make sure you're viewing the normal chart layout where the side toolbar is visible. So that is all you need to do. Just find the Pine tree icon, click it, and you're ready to start using Pine editor in TradingView. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.